This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by the tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in southwest Arizona and southeast California. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Yuma and La Paz counties in Arizona and Imperial and Eastern Riverside counties in California. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning device. The latest forecast.
Yes, that is my first test on WXL87. That is awesome. I believe that's WXL87. Anyway, I'm recording right now.
To the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. For Riverside County mountains today.
Yeah, this is the latest SGX has done its test.
66. Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles
and
an hour in the afternoon.
Okay, and only a few of my weather radios decided to go off for this test, so
Areas of winds west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour. Thanksgiving Day, mostly sunny. High is 49 to 56. Areas of winds northeast 50 to 25 miles
the 521 went off, the Recom went off, the WX67 went off, and the 259 went off. That was the latest SGX test they ever did. So, yeah, at least that they tested. At least we got the test, that's what matters. Didn't matter that all the weather radios had to activate. But yeah, I got the test, you don't have to worry. But yeah, that is the weekly test for November 25, 2020. That's it. Stay tuned for more videos.